Hitesh in red. So far in this evening session, the 4 bouts have been won by the boxer wearing blue. It's a good time to start a new trend. Certainly, Ismailov will be hoping not. So moving up 10 kgs in terms of weight classes, a bit more height, a bit more strength, the more definition in those muscles. A good positive beginning by Ismailov. Egging Hitesh on, trying to get him to attack him with his guard down on a few occasions. But Hitesh also happy to play the waiting game. Not taking the bait too often right now. Definitely going to be a keen encounter, this one. Hitesh Gulia is defending well, but he's also counter-punching much nicer than his opponent, which puts a bit more onus now on Ismailov to be the aggressor and to get a few constructive punches in. Something Hitesh does very well, if you notice, is how he uses his feet as a springboard into those punches. He's almost always on the move. But when he goes for his shots, you'll see a little bit of a spring in his stride, which aided with his natural 70 kgs. Something that's giving a lot of impact to those blows that he's handing out to his Uzbek opponent. Crowd really emotionally invested in this, as they would be expected to, with an Indian boxer in the ring. Hitesh in red. Now watch for that. Watch for that little spring before he goes for the punches. It's often an amalgamation of everything. It's about tactics, it's about technique, it's also about awareness. It's knowing what your opponent is expecting and possibly trying something completely the opposite of it. The element of surprise, extremely important in all combat sports. And surely so significant in boxing. Young Ismailov is enjoying this cauldron, absolutely enjoying himself in the middle. And he's probably not done a lot wrong, but Hitesh Gulia has seemingly landed a few more decisive punches. We'll know shortly with the scores. The cheers should tell you the story. But he's come out with a good positive game plan. Ismailov also connecting on few occasions, and not too many defensive maneuvers by either boxer. It's been pretty much a punch a second in this particular contest in the men's 70 kg category. Hitesh has won over 4 of the 5 judges, Guatemala opting to go with Ismailov.
Second sold.
Muhammad Azizbek Ismailov with a great opportunity, not just to make a dent, but to make a name for himself. He'll anyway go back with a bronze at worst, but he wants to go for better, showing the right urgency at the starting stages of the second round. But Hitesh Gulia will have some say in that matter as well. For the speed and the intensity, I would suggest that this bout in particular must be a photographer's delight. Sports photography anyway has evolved a lot. You have a lot more advanced equipment these days. Just that perfect moment of a punch landing, of a face contorting, of sweat flying around, sometimes a few tricklets of blood as well. Not advisable, of course, but inevitable. Makes for some absolutely great still pictures of the sport. Every day, the World Boxing site carries some of the best images of the day. That's something that you can check out. Besides, of course, catching up with all of the action on various online sources as well. Lots and lots of YouTube streams available of all these days' actions. But for the moment, it's an action-packed semi-final here in the men's 70 kgs. Word of caution for Hitesh. Ismailov trying to capture the center of the ring, but Hitesh is doing a very good job. Just drawing him into the corners, drawing him into spaces where he wants his opponent within hitting range. And then some powerful 1-2 combinations which open up Ismailov. A great battle. It is something that will take a lot out of both these men. Whoever goes through to the final will be grateful for whatever little recovery period there is. All the finals tomorrow. So quite likely that they'll be back in action in just about 24 hours, if not less. Ismailov continues to punch away even after that particular move had been broken down. Punch to the gut, following which the referee has a little word with Ismailov, wants him to concentrate a bit more on the upper portion. A little bit of frustration now creeping into the way that Ismailov is approaching this, but he's still very much in it. If he's not numerically back at parity, he's still got the opportunity of making a comeback in the third round. But Hitesh Gulia has controlled this bout quite well with his experience. Landing a few decisive jabs, couple of uppercuts. And his right-left combinations have been quite good. Here he makes contact first with the right and then unable to follow up with the left. But some decent maneuvers from the boxer in red from India. Man from Jhajjar, Haryana, winning over all the judges in the second one. So Guatemala currently tied for both men, 19 apiece. And overall it's 4-0 in favor of Hitesh of India. So Ismailov has no option, but now needs to go for broke, needs to go for that knockout punch if he can land that. And Hitesh will be forgiven if he gets defensive, but knowing his style, it's not something that is first nature to him. Still marrying a bit of pragmatism now. Staying on his feet, but also staying far away from Ismailov as much as possible. A lovely atmosphere this evening. Plenty more fans than in the afternoon session. Buzzing along as Hitesh seems to be moving up a few gears. Ismailov trying his best to act as the natural speed breaker. Hitesh has moved around substantially all the way through in this particular bout, but specifically in round 3, knowing that it is his opponent who has to chase the game. It can sometimes feel a little insurmountable, these odds, especially for a youngster like Muhammad Azizbek Ismailov of Uzbekistan, Asian Under-22 champion, a World Youth Championship medalist as well. Just the numerical superiority as well as a partisan crowd baying against you can have a little bit of a psychological effect. It's very easy to say that you can blank out the scores, you can blank out what's happening around you. That's much easier said than done. Into the closing 10 seconds. Hitesh Gulia closing in on yet another finals appearance for the home nation, India, at these World Cup finals in Greater Noida. The third round was pretty much about game management, and he seemed to manage that pretty well. Of course, as expected, there was a lot of aggressive intent shown by Ismailov, but Hitesh was furious with some of his counter punches, and on the whole, he was defensively more compact than he had been across the first 2 rounds. We'll await the decision, but it should go in the Indians' favour.
Result of the bout number 66. The winner on point by unanimous point decision in the red corner, representing India.
Hitesh is a hit in Greater Noida. Very smart ring craft from him. And that's why he's had all those medals in the World Cup couple of stages this year. Kept himself on top right through this bout. Started with a lot of attacking fervor, but as the match wore on, he realized that Ismailov was getting a little more desperate, was looking to create openings. That's when he made his defense a bit more compact and eventually does enough to make his way through to the men's 70 kg finals. We'll find out the identities of his opponent next.